The effects are amazing. You should definitely try this recipe. It removes 10 to 20 years off your face. It's your lucky day because in this video we are going to show you the recipe for eternal youth. This recipe is really amazing. It will remove 10 years of your face in just 2 weeks. You will be amazed by the results. And the best thing about this recipe is that it's very simple and easy to make. It uses herbs such as St. John's wort, Asteraceae flowers and birch buds. These ingredients are super healthy and they are loaded with health benefits. Note: regular use of this amazing elixir of youth will make you look younger and it will slow down the aging process. This recipe is very simple and easy to make. You just have to follow the simple instructions. Here's what you need to do. You will need the following ingredients: John's wort, 5 ounces Asteraceae flowers, 5 ounces birch buds. Directions. Here's what you need to do. It's very simple. You just have to put all the ingredients into a glass jar and mix them well. Close the lid tightly. How to use it. Add 1 tablespoon of this mixture into a bowl and pour 500 ml boiling water over it. Leave it on for 20 minutes and after that you need to strain it. Note: you can add some honey. After straining, keep the drink in a flask to keep it warm. Drink half of it on an empty stomach in the morning and the other half 2 hours after dinner. Make sure you don't drink or eat anything else afterwards. Make sure you repeat the treatment for a month for optimal results. Take a 5-week break, then repeat the whole method again. This powerful recipe will improve your health and make you look 10 years younger. This super healthy recipe will also help you eliminate toxins from your body, improve your heart, kidney and liver function. This means that you should definitely try it. We really hope you find this video helpful and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you. Look 10 years younger overnight using coconut oil in 5 different ways. Tips from world's leading experts. We can easily say that coconut oil is one of the most effective and beneficial ingredients when it comes to your health and beauty. In this video we are going to show you 5 different and unique ways to use coconut oil. These are the best coconut oil uses. Chemical-free shaving cream. First, you should know that the conventional shaving cream contains high amounts of many different harmful chemicals and some of them can be very expensive. We highly recommend that you should avoid using this type of shaving creams for your legs or underarms and use the coconut oil instead. Coconut oil is very useful as a shaving cream. It is natural, cheap, it smells good and it has powerful antimicrobial effects. Coconut oil will soothe your skin after shaving. You will be amazed by the results. Your skin will be shiny and hydrated. Overnight skin care. You should definitely use coconut oil as a nighttime skin care. Just apply some coconut oil on your skin before you go to bed. In the morning you will notice that your skin will be refreshed, smooth and completely clean. Coconut oil has the ability to penetrate deeply into the skin. It will make your skin nourished, soft and flexible. Coconut oil hand cream. The cold and harsh weather will make your hands rough and dry. This means that you should pay more attention and use the proper hand cream to repair your dry skin and reverse the side effects. So if you want to avoid this type of problem, then you should definitely try using coconut oil hand cream. This homemade coconut oil hand cream will nourish your hands and it will make them smoother and softer. Whipped coconut oil cellulite cream. Many different people around the world are dealing with cellulite nowadays and they all want to find the best and most effective solution which will solve their problem. In this video we are going to show you how to make the best and most powerful remedy which can help you solve this problem. All you need is 3 natural, affordable and easy available ingredients. Homemade liquid hand soap. You should definitely try making your own homemade coconut oil liquid soap. By making your own liquid hand soap you will not only save money, but you will also improve the state of your skin and the skin of all your family members, as it is much better to use something that is natural compared to the products we buy loaded with chemicals. This liquid soap will moisturize your hands instead of drying them, so every time you wash your hands they will be clean and soft. We really hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you.